Now I'm not sure if this is normal, if anybody's ever seen a cat do this before, but I made this little gadget. It's a regular fishing pole, and then I have a piece of string, fishing line, tied around just a regular piece of paper, and that's what I play with the cat, and he loves it. But he makes this weird noise, and I don't know what it is. It's sort of like a meow laugh. I don't know what it is. I've never seen a cat do it. Okay, so let me know if you've ever seen a cat do that, and if so, what do you think that is? Like, what's the deal with that? You think that's kind of weird? It's kind of cute and kind of weird at the same time. I don't know. Just wanted to share that with you folks at home. Bye. He sits right down too. Oh my God. He's gonna come jump again.